The law of attraction. It is one of the biggest teachings that anyone can learn when it comes down to personal development and motivation. Sometimes some people might think that they're synonymous and they're all in one. The law of attraction teaches you that your thoughts attracts everything else around you and creates your reality. So today what we're going to do is start a new series called L.O.A. Power Tips, where we discuss principles of the law of attraction to try to give you a better knowledge, and if it's something that you want to pursue it. Me personally, I do myself because I'm a big believer in it from personal experiences, life, and things like that I have seen. So let's talk about lesson number 1. Be at cause, not effect. Starting now. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Antoine. I am from Splitting Image, the YouTube channel that's all about personal development and motivation for millennial entrepreneurs and creatives and anyone else who wants to improve their life. Today we're going to talk about being at cause, not effect. You see, just to tell you a personal story here, I tried to film this video that I'm filming right now, I want to say probably a dozen times. The reason why is because each location that I went to, you would have people walking through, or the sound would be off, or the lighting would be off, and it would just look weird. Did that stop me? No. I'm actually filming outside right now, and I believe it's like 20-degree weather. So I think that when you be at cause instead of effect, you realize that a lot of people would be angry over this. They would have quit. They was like, screw this, I'm not gonna film this damn video, I'm gonna do it another day. Screw this, I just can't get it right. No, that's not what I'm doing. I'm being at cause. I'm looking at the circumstances around me and trying to make the best out of what seems to be an unfortunate situation. And that's the way that you have to approach life a lot of times. You have to be at cause, not effect. You have to realize that things happen. A lot of things happen in life, some bad, some good. And the way you react to it is ultimately how it's going to be viewed in your life and how you react to everything else that happens to it. For instance, let's say you get in a car accident or you get robbed. Yes, it's a bad situation. Yes, your deductible will go up. Yes, you don't know if you're going to get back anything that you lost, that you got robbed with. But at the end of the day, you're still alive, right? You still got your life. You're good. You can always replace anything that you lost. And your deductible did go up, but you might have been in the round for a new car, and that helped you out because now you can get a brand new car from your insurance. Or if you don't have insurance, maybe it's showing you now that you need to get insurance. But at the end of the day, the way you react to something that happens in your life is what dictates how everything else is going to go. When you react positively to things that happen to you, positive things come back. You attract that to you. It's like a magnet. Positivity. When you're positive towards others, positive towards life, positive towards everything else, good things start to happen even when there is no hope of you actually being able to be positive about that situation. If you're able to think of things in a positive annotation instead of a negative annotation, a lot of positive things can happen to you. So when you be at effect, you blame your situation, you blame your surroundings, but when you're at cause, you realize that everything that happens to you in your life is because of you. You drew it to yourself. And yes, you might not have been the one that crashed the car into you, or you might not have done this, or you might not have done that, but at the end of the day, it still is because of you. If you learn how to just take the cause of something and say, yes, this seems like a bad situation, let me not make it worse by being negative and by adding more things to that. Let me figure out what's the positive thing that I can get out of this. What is the thing that I can get out of this that's positive that can help me go on with my life, number one, and then number two, lead a more positive life? That's what you got to look for. But that's more of the theory part. Let's go into actions part. First thing that I would do is, if something negative happened, like a car crash or something like that, before I react, I want you guys to count to 5, breathe in, breathe out, and then reassess the situation. A lot of times when you reassess the situation after that, sometimes the thing is not as bad as it seems. So there you go on that one. The second tip that I would give you for being at cause instead of effect is realizing the number one cure for negative thoughts. Number one cure for negative thoughts or negative things that might happen to you. It's because of you. You drew that to yourself. So now, let me realize, if I can draw something negative to myself, maybe I can draw something positive to myself. Let me stop thinking negatively and let me start thinking positively. And then, there you go. It comes to you. It comes to you. It's drawn to you. Again, it's a magnet. That's what you have to realize. So, those are my tips. This is the first power tip. Be at cause, not effect, for law of attraction. This is going to be great. This is good. I love the law of attraction. It's something that resonates with me, like I said at the beginning of the video. So this series is going to mean a lot to me. I'm going to put a lot of heart into it. And this is video 1. I'll catch you guys in the next one. But before I go, I have a question of the day for you guys in the comment section. I want to know, what negative occurrence happened to you that you thought negative more after it happened, and then more things happened? I want to hear your stories. I want to hear what negative things happened to you guys in your life, car crash or something like that, and then what was the series of events that happened afterwards whenever you thought more negative about that situation. Or if it's on the reverse, if something negative happened and you thought more positive about the situation, I want to hear more about that. But definitely put it down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this episode. I am Antoine, and this is Splitting Image, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.